New Vauxhall Grandland X Ultimate 2018 review. Ultimate, the best or most extreme example of its kind. That's the mantra Vauxhall is working to with its latest iteration of the Grandland X, a kit-laden range topper priced from £34,040. This flagship spec is new for 2018 and is also available on the Astra hatch. You can argue with the equipment list, with every Ultimate model boasting an 8-inch touchscreen sat-nav, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 360-degree parking camera and Vauxhall's innovative OnStar service. External highlights include 19-inch alloys, LED lights, a panoramic roof and gloss black details as standard. It certainly looks the part, even alongside pimped-up rivals like the Seat Caslins or Peugeot 3008 GT line. Quality, on the whole, is very good. There are plenty of squidgy plastics on the dash and you'll find leather covering the steering wheel, seats and center console. The only slightly flimsy trim is the lid for the cubbyhole ahead of the gear lever. It's a shame, because overall the car feels solidly built. Verdict: 3. Built for buyers who quite literally want the ultimate Vauxhall SUV, this Grandland X ticks almost all of the luxury, kit and quality boxes you'd expect from a range flagship. Vauxhall's tempting finance deals make it an interesting proposition, but we'd save some cash and opt for one of the cheaper and better value engine and spec combinations.